Good morning, students. Now I am going to start topic respiration, and I define this respiration: the process of releasing energy by burning of food in the presence of oxygen and eliminate CO2 and water is called respiration. Dear student, respiration is occurred after assimilation. When in our digestive system assimilated is completed, then after assimilated food is used as material for growth and repair of the body and as a fuel to get energy फॉर वेरियस प्रोसेस. हमारे बॉडी में जितने भी डिफरेंट प्रोसेस होते हैं, ठीक है ना, उन सभी प्रोसेस को डन करने के लिए ये एसिमिलेटेड फूड जो है जब हमारे ब्लड में पहुंचता है तो वो उसको सेल के पास ले जाकर के फ्यूल फॉर्मेशन में मीन्स एनर्जी फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करता है. दिस एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन इज डन इन सेल. इन दिस सेल ड्यूरिंग रिस्पायरेशन ऑक्सीजन रिएक्ट्स with food molecules means glucose and burns them slowly to release energy. This released energy is stored in ATP molecules in the cell. This energy is stored in ATP molecules in the cell. Again repeat, the process of releasing energy by burning of food in the presence of oxygen and eliminate CO2 and water is called respiration. Dear students, now I am going to represent an equation of the energy formation. ठीक है, तो glucose when reacts or burns in the presence of oxygen in cell, CO2 and H2O is formed and also energy is released. Okay, this energy is released in the form of ATP molecules. Dear students, now I am represent this reaction as this type of diagram. Here glucose food, oxygen in cell, and then after oxidation it forms carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now I am going to start what is the ADP and ATP. Then ADP and ATP is the materials which help to produce our energy. First of all, I want to explain ADP. The full form of ADP is adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate also contains two phosphate group of molecules. And also ATP contains three phosphate group of molecules. Means the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ADP adenosine diphosphate. During respiration in cell, ADP phosphates attached with another phosphate molecules in the presence of energy. It forms ATP molecules. Dear students, now I am going to again repeat when phosphate molecules attached with ADP in the presence of oxygen, it forms ATP, means adenosine triphosphate. It contains three phosphate molecules. Otherwise, ADP contains only two phosphate molecules. In the presence of one another phosphate molecules, it releases excess energy आफ्टर रिस्पायरेशन व्हेन सेल नीड्स एनर्जी, आफ्टर रिस्पायरेशन जब सेल को बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है, एट दैट टाइम एटीपी breakdown or ATP lose its an extra phosphate molecules and it convert into ADP. ADP plus phosphate. This phosphate is released from from ATP. When ATP break down into ADP and phosphate molecules, the large amount of energy is produced, means released. These both reactions occurred in our cell. With the help of these both reactions, energy is released. After it some important discussions it is necessary. Just now I am going to express some important reactions in our respiration. These reactions are very, very, very important for respiration. First of all, dear students, now I am explain or show you these reactions. When glucose molecules break down in the process of glycolysis in cytoplasm, it convert into pyruvic acid, means pyruvate. When one molecule of glucose break down, it forms two molecules of pyruvic acid, and it also break into mitochondria and in the presence of oxygen. This process is also known as Krebs cycle, and it forms 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water, and energy, it produces large quantity of energy, which is 38 ATP molecules. That means when glucose break down into carbon dioxide, water and lots of energy, it is necessary that oxygen is maintained, oxygen is present. Next reaction is when glucose is break down with the process of glycolysis in cytoplasm, it convert into also pyruvic acid, means pyruvate. ठीक है ना? Now when pyruvic acid convert or break down in the absence of oxygen in yeast, this reaction is occurred only in yeast. Then it forms CO2, ethanol, means ethyl alcohol, and less yani few amount of energy is released. In this reaction, oxygen is absent, so energy is produced less. Next, again one reactions I have also. When glucose break down with the help of glycolysis, it convert into also pyruvic acids, and when lack of oxygen, this pyruvic acid is break down in muscle cells in humans and another animals, it convert into lactic acid and less amount of energy is produced. Dear students, here lactic acid is produced. Due to this lactic acid, another animals feels pain in their body organs where oxygen is lack, means oxygen की जहां कमी होती है वहां पर in muscle cells. Dear students, in these reactions also represented by this way, means हम लोग इस रिएक्शन को इस तरीके से भी इसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, ग्लूकोज इन साइटोप्लाज्म, in the presence of glycolysis, with the process of glycolysis, it converts into pyruvate and pyruvic acid, and it occurs in three ways. That is these reactions. Three ways means absence of oxygen, lack of oxygen, and presence of oxygen. Dear students, all these three reactions is also represented by this way. Okay. Now I am going to explain the types of respiration. Types of respiration. Dear students, now I am going to explain types of respiration. This, according to oxygen availability, there are two types of respiration. Dear students, ऑक्सीजन के अवेबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग अभी जस्ट हमने इस थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ रिस्पायरेशन को हमने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है ना, लेकिन उसको हम लोग वन बाय वन करके इसको फिर से एक बार देखते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो टाइप्स ऑफ, अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑक्सीजन अवेबिलिटी देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिस्पायरेशन. फर्स्ट एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन एंड सेकेंड एनएरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन. एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन, एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन. तो एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन is done in the presence of oxygen. Means we define the respiration which uses oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Okay. Energy is stored in the ATP molecules in aerobic respiration. One molecule of glucose produces 38 ATP molecules energy. This is also represented in chemical reactions. Glucose glycolysis convert pyruvate, presence of oxygen. This is also known as Krebs cycle in mitochondria, and carbon dioxide, water and energy is produced. Okay, this respiration is known as aerobic respiration. Most of the living organisms, most